supplement to CCD magazine that I'm the editor of, but it has just gotten an ISBN number, so it's going to be released to places like Amazon, but I don't grab to see it. So I was trying to find something in here that I was like, what can I find that's happy? And I don't have no clue what I'm writing here at all. So I was going to read this book. This may sound, I don't know, this may sound silly, but every night, just before I'm about to sleep, I think of you. And when I turn out the light and crawl into my empty bed, a piece of me feels missing. I don't know what it is, but I feel alone, right about where my heart is. When I have to lay there, night after night, all alone. When I'm with you, I feel as if I am complete. I feel as if nothing in the world matters. When you're holding my hand, with your heart near me, then I can sleep. And then I fall into my empty bed, and I feel the hole again, burning through my heart. And I wish I didn't feel so alone, and I wish the hole would just go away.